Welcome back to Auto Drive Show, your go-to place for the hottest car reviews, test drives, and everything on four wheels. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated performance sedans of the year, the 2025 BMW M5 GT-R. This isn't just another M5, it's something fiercer, more aggressive, and absolutely track-focused. Right off the bat, the exterior commands attention. The M5 GT-R is lower, wider, and sharper than its predecessors. BMW's signature kidney grille is now more streamlined, flanked by laser LED headlights that cut through the dark like blades. The sculpted carbon fiber hood isn't just for show, it aids in cooling that monstrous engine beneath. You'll notice flared wheel arches housing 21-inch forged alloys wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. Around the back, the quad exhausts roar beneath an aggressive carbon diffuser, while the fixed rear wing delivers real downforce at high speeds. From every angle, this car screams performance and precision. Step inside and you're welcomed by a cabin that perfectly blends luxury and motorsport DNA. The GT-R edition features full Alcantara and leather bucket seats with contrast stitching and embossed M logos. The dashboard is sleek, centered around BMW's latest curved display, a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster paired with a 14.9-inch infotainment screen running iDrive 9. The carbon fiber trim flows across the cabin, and the M-specific steering wheel with red programmable M buttons hints at the beast waiting to be unleashed. Ambient lighting, a Harman Kardon sound system, and voice-controlled functions add a futuristic vibe, but make no mistake, this interior is built for business. Under the hood, the 2025 M5 GT-R packs a hybridized 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, pushing out a jaw-dropping 728 horsepower and 735 lb-ft of torque. The electric boost comes from a 14.8 kWh battery, enhancing acceleration without compromising the traditional V8 growl. BMW claims a 0 to 60 time of just 2.9 seconds, and it certainly feels every bit that fast. Power is sent to all four wheels via the MX drive system with rear-wheel bias and selectable 2WD mode for purists. The chassis is stiffened, suspension revised, and carbon ceramic brakes come standard to bring all that power to a confident stop. Whether on a track or open road, this M5 GT-R delivers blistering speed, razor-sharp handling, and a level of engagement that makes it worthy of the GT-R badge. Now let's talk numbers. The 2025 BMW M5 GT-R starts at around $132,000, but tick a few performance and aesthetic options and you're pushing $150K easily. Expensive? Yes, but when you consider the power, technology, exclusivity, and that unmistakable M heritage, you realize this isn't just a car, it's an experience. That's all for today's in-depth look at the 2025 BMW M5 GT-R. If you love this review, give us a like, drop a comment below, and let us know what car you want us to feature next. Don't forget to subscribe to Auto Drive Show for more high-octane reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive safe, stay fast.